Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef burgers at home. Start with ground beef, ideally an 80% lean and 20% fat blend for maximum juiciness. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions. Gently form them into patties roughly 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. Don't overwork the meat, as this can make your burgers tough. Press a small dimple into the center of each patty to ensure even cooking and prevent bulging. Now, let's talk seasoning. A simple yet effective approach is to generously sprinkle both sides of your patties with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. For cooking, preheat your grill or a cast iron skillet to a medium-high temperature. This ensures a beautiful sear. Cook each side for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget the buns. Lightly butter them and toast them on the grill or in a pan until they're golden brown and slightly crisp. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. While your patties are cooking, prepare your favorite toppings. Think crisp lettuce, ripe tomato slices, thinly sliced red onion, and of course, a slice of your preferred cheese. A homemade sauce can also add a fantastic personal touch. Once your patties are cooked to perfection, place a slice of cheese on top during the last minute or so of cooking, allowing it to melt beautifully. Now for the assembly. Start with the toasted bottom bun, add your juicy patty with melted cheese, and then pile on your favorite fresh toppings. Finish with the top bun, and there you have it, a fantastic homemade beef burger ready to be devoured. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.